Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to embark on an incredible journey through the animal kingdom. Did you know that the cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour or 113 kilometers per hour? It's a true sprinting champion. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward and upside down with their rapid wing movements. They can hover in midair and even fly in reverse. The mimic octopus is a master of disguise. It can change its color, shape, and texture to mimic other animals, such as flatfish, lionfish, and even sea snakes. The axolotl, a unique species of salamander, has the incredible ability to regenerate its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. It's like a superhero of the animal kingdom. The pistol shrimp possesses a powerful weapon, the ability to create a cavitation bubble by snapping its claw. This bubble collapses with an explosive force, stunning prey or even breaking glass. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any known animal. It travels from its breeding grounds in the Arctic to its wintering grounds in Antarctica and back, covering a staggering 44,000 miles or 70,900 kilometers annually. The peacock mantis shrimp has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing a wide spectrum of colors, including ultraviolet. They also possess incredibly powerful claws used for hunting. The leafy sea dragon, found in the waters of Australia, has unique appendages resembling seaweed, providing excellent camouflage. They sway with the ocean currents, making them nearly invisible to predators. The African elephant is the largest land animal, weighing up to 12,000 pounds or 5,443 kilograms and standing over 13 feet or 4 meters tall. Their trunks alone contain about 100,000 muscles. The Archerfish has an extraordinary hunting technique. It shoots powerful jets of water from its mouth to knock down insects and other prey perched on leaves above the water's surface. Like and subscribe for more.